All right, my name is Jeff Glassburn. I lost my leg when I was 8 years old in a farming accident. I was at the wrong place at the wrong time when my dad turned on the machine. Next week, I'm actually going to the Boston Marathon. Last year, I did it. I made it to mile 25.9, and the two bombs went off. I didn't get to my finish line. The two bad guys kind of destroyed that finish line, or that gold medal moment for me. But this year, I'm also going to take two other amputees with me. Last year I found them back in June, and I kind of inspired them and challenged them to take on the goal of running that Boston Marathon with me. We're going to try to run the Boston Marathon to inspire others to try, and also to remember those who lost their limbs and to have the struggles or challenges that are in front of them. And for me, it's kind of like with CrossFit for me. I first joined the class, I was very skeptical. I didn't know that I could do a lot of things. The first day or the first week, I was challenged to do things that I never thought it was possible to do, being an amputee. It's my first time I got to do the jump rope. I'm like, there's no way that I can do that. And then Paul showed me that, you know, if I just tried to break it down little by little, that I could do it. It's kind of like with me with these other amputees. You know, I believe in them. I believe in their potential and their opportunity. Paul and Anna at CrossFit kind of believed in me and kind of helped me overcome my fear of doing something I didn't think was possible. I also tried box jumps for the first time. Wow, that was hard. But I did it, you know, and I'm doing as high as anyone in the class, and so that's pretty cool. Also, one of the greatest things about CrossFit for me is, you know, I'm an endurance athlete. Every single day I wake up, I know what I'm going to do. But every single day that I go to CrossFit, I have no clue of what these guys are going to put me through. And so for me, everything's always about the challenge. And I don't know the challenge that's ahead of me of that day. But when I show up and it's on the board and that WOD's in front of me, that's my challenge. And guess what? I'm going to try to be the best one in the class, whether I have one leg or two.